Florida insurance has skyrocketed as Floridians pay the highest homeowners insurance premiums in the country. Welcome back to the Morning Mike, where we discuss South Florida real estate news and ideas and best practices for buyers and sellers alike. If you like this video, then hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe so you never miss our weekly content. Floridians currently pay the most expensive homeowners insurance premiums in the country, with residents of the Sunshine State paying on average more than $4,200 per year, compared to the national average of just $1,700, according to the data from the Insurance Information Institute, or III. So Florida is way far paying the most premium. So we have a lot of storms, we have a lot of damage, and that's why we're paying it. So today we will discuss 5 ways homeowners can keep their insurance premiums at a low. Up until 2016, we had a lull in storm activity. And since then, we have seen many storms affect South Florida and West Florida with millions of dollars worth of damage. Hurricane Ian, in particular, was a storm that really tipped the scales in homeowners insurance premiums in Florida, with tens of millions in damage and insurance claims and untimely rise in inflation. The perfect storm was created, no pun intended, for rates to increase for every homeowner. So it was a perfect storm of inflation, more hurricanes, more premiums, going up. So many homeowners have experienced these increased policies, and they're not happy about it. And I'm sure many even fee simple townhouse communities have had HOA increases to combat the new fees. So everybody's raised. I don't care if you're in commercial real estate, residential real estate, a home, a townhouse, condo, everybody's being raised. And you're paying higher HOA dues because of it, if it's included in your condo dues, or certainly you're just seeing your monthly payment go up on your home payments because your mortgage has your homeowner's insurance in it. So according to Newsweek, insurance premiums will continue to rise because construction costs, which are taken into consideration when determining how expensive it will be to rebuild a home after being struck by a hurricane or another similar event, have risen by 40% since 2017. This perfect storm is just moving along, just like a hurricane. Here are 5 ways you can keep your home insurance down. Very important. Number 1, hurricane protection and new roof. So obviously, if your home doesn't have full hurricane protection and your roof's getting older, you want to look at those, because that's really why premiums are so high for people that maybe don't have full hurricane protection on their house and they have a very old roof. Insurance companies really don't want to insure with old roofs. It's really, really the sticking point right now for real estate deals for us. Number 2, fire and alarm security discounts offered by the insurance provider. So just simply, for safety, you should get an alarm, should have it hooked up for fire and safety. So you will get a reduction in your cost, because obviously it's a safety factor that could prevent something major from happening. Number 3, leak detection devices to provide discounts by insurance providers. So there's a company called Flow, and this is an amazing product that you automatically can shut off all of your water. If it gets to a certain level, you have it on the app. It gives you a warning. If you don't answer it by a certain time, it shuts off all your water. So if you travel, you don't have to turn all your water off. It really is a great product, and it will lower your insurance hundreds of dollars. It's a great product, and it will prevent water damage, which, besides hurricanes, everybody thinks hurricanes are the biggest issues for insurance, but simple little leaks or something that drips too long, water causes such damage here in South Florida. Number 4, increase your deductible to lower your monthly premium. Might be just simply increasing your deductible. Yes, it's higher if you get damage, but if you're taking care of your house properly and you're on top of things, you maybe have a newer home, I would say you definitely want to make sure you discuss this with your insurance provider, but just by doing that could lower your monthly premium. And that might be something you need to do for your budget. Number 5, bundle your insurance plans. Many homeowners who bundle both home and auto plans can save up to 25% on their insurance plans. You've seen the commercials. They all want you to bundle, and you should definitely look into that, because maybe you can save a little bit more on your car insurance, your renter's insurance if you're renting. And these are important factors to be able to get your insurance lower. And I recommend to this, when people purchase a house, most providers would rather you not call them. It's like a gym membership. They hope you never show up. They hope you just keep paying, and that's it. And you shouldn't. You should really put on your calendar, We let our clients know that we work with that every year, at least once a year. It should really be twice a year that you should reach out to your insurance provider for homeowners insurance, car insurance. Every year they want to keep you, and they only really don't want to raise you or lower you unless they can. So understand, if it's like like your provider for your cable. If you don't call them to get the new plans, you're probably paying more than you should. So always keep on top of this so you can get the lowest plan, get the best coverage. Maybe there's other companies that have come into South Florida as major providers have left. So once that happens, maybe you can switch back to a company like State Farm, who's not giving homeowner insurance now in South Florida through their company. These are important things. We're selling houses every day. We're giving this advice. If you have any questions, please shoot us a message. Please